Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to start this video by saying that my goal with this channel is to always be transparent, no matter if things are going great or if I'm facing challenges. Today I'm sharing a 10-month update on my dividend portfolio. I'll break down my numbers, highlight the performances of individual stocks, and talk about the projected annual dividends I'm building towards. Before we dive in, I've also been investing in undervalued stocks over the same 10 months, and that strategy has worked wonders for me. I'm up by 26.6% in that portfolio. And I've always known that unlike undervalued stocks, dividend stocks are more of a long-term game, and my dividend portfolio is designed to generate reliable income over time. So let's get started. So over the past 10 months, I've been investing $1,000 each month into dividend-paying stocks for a total of $10,000 invested. As of now, the portfolio's value is $9,795, which means I'm down by $205 or negative 2% loss. This slight drop isn't surprising, especially considering that popular dividend-focused index funds like SCHD have dropped by 8% over the past month. Given how diversified my portfolio is with 19 active stocks, it's practically like an index fund itself at this point. Now let's take a closer look at the individual stock performances. Out of the 19 stocks in my portfolio, my biggest winner is 3M Corporation, which is up by 45.8%, giving me a profit of $85 so far. This performance in less than a year is encouraging, especially for a dividend-focused stock. Another stock that has performed super well is Avalon Bay, which is up by 24.1%, or a gain of $42. Clorox and ADP are my other great performers, both being up by about 20% with a gain of $106 each. On the other hand, there have been quite a few underperformers. BMW and Volkswagen have been my biggest losers, both down by about 21%. And to make things worse, BMW stock got delisted and removed from the stock market, so my loss is already realized and I won't be able to make it back. There also seem to be a lot of stocks that are down by about 10% in my portfolio now, including Ford, Hershey, Johnson & Johnson, Kraft Heinz, Nike, and PepsiCo. But even with these losses, I'm not overly concerned. Dividend investing is a long-term strategy and temporary dips are part of the journey. Plus, these drops may present buying opportunities if the fundamentals of the companies remain strong. Now let's talk about what really excites me about this portfolio. The dividends. Over the 10 months, I've received $168.98 in total dividends. And based on my current holdings, my portfolio's projected annual dividends are $425.92 with a weighted average dividend yield of 4.35%. This means I'm building a steady stream of passive income that will grow over time as I reinvest my dividends and continue to add more capital. At the same time, I'm hopeful that the stock prices will bounce back and my account will be in positive relatively soon. So let's quickly reflect on my 10-month progress. It's been a fascinating journey so far and I'm learning so much about patience and long-term thinking. While my undervalued stock portfolio has shown quicker gains, my dividend portfolio is about stability and consistent income. I'm essentially creating my own index fund by carefully selecting diverse, high-quality dividend stocks. Looking ahead, I'm considering to double down on some of the stocks that are underperforming, like Mondelez or PepsiCo, if their fundamentals remain strong. And that's what I like about investing consistently. I can see which stocks go down and invest more in them while keeping my winners running and making me dividends. If you have any questions or suggestions for my portfolio, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Let me know if you have any favorite dividend stock that I don't have in my portfolio yet. Thank you so much for watching my update video and I'll see you in the next one.